double apex, which I don't think many people realise.
No.
First apex. Come around. Second apex.
What tire pressure are you running?
About 40, because I need to protect the sidewalls.
She's pretty good for 40, man.
Yeah, because it's just a heavy car and it's not bad. There we go, we got my one lap in.
I was just going to say to you, it's about to stop.
Yeah, God. Where's this numpty going? Oh my God, I don't know where they're going. I don't really want to overtake on a corner. I'm not going to shoot off now.
Oh, so you're going to push his foot down?
Yeah, go on, so start going, you mate. Till the next corner.
They're not even following,
I don't know
practicing their frigging lines, you know?
I'm concerned. That's it, Sinister. Now you put your foot down and show us how quick you are on a straight line. Oh, I'll do the right thing and overtake him on the straight, I think. Again, let's see if he knows which way to go.
That's when you need to worry.